Hello and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing of two of the mini Diamond Art Club kits. These are actually the first time that I have unboxed, and I am really looking forward to seeing what's in the kit and also to get started on them. So if you have any kits, let me know how you feel about them underneath the comments below, and let's get started. Okay, I have two of these as I mentioned. I also went ahead and got another 8-tip placer. I love their thin barrels, and so I went ahead and got another 8 one because I am using mine like crazy and I'm having to change it from pen to pen. So I'm going to slowly get more of these. They are a little pricey just for one, but definitely worth it. So I did get the mini Dazzles art supplies. I thought that'd be really cute for my daughter's room. And then I got the mini Dazzle spring. So I thought that would be really fun since it's getting closer to spring here. I would like to be able to put these in a frame and just have them out in my office. And then each time that the season changes, I can go ahead and change these. Especially when there's only 6 in here. Shouldn't take very long to do. And also should be easy to find some 4x6 cheap frames that I can put these in. So let's go ahead and look at this one first. I'll put the other one off to the side. I'm going to see if I can just pull this off here. And I ordered them, and it was really weird because like 2 days later, they were here. Try not to tear this. And they came extremely quick. Usually I don't get my shipping that fast with Diamond Art Club. It is fast, but it's not usually that fast. So I was really impressed with that. I love these little mini boxes. It says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And I have not worked on Diamond Art Club in a long time. So I am really excited for this. And I am going to be kitting one of these up because I want to have one finished by the end of March, considering that I'm trying to get 12 of the mini kits completed within the year. And I only have one, and here we are in March. So I need to go ahead and get started on something. And I haven't even seen anyone that has opened these boxes and did some unboxings. So I am real excited for this. So let's first look at the toolkit. And I hadn't even had a new Diamond Art Club in a long time either. I've been really good trying not to buy. I've seen so many of you guys that have been posting about how you love the new Diamond Art Club accessories, and especially the new Diamond Art Club tray. So I really want to try this and see if I'm going to like it. And that is a good tray. It doesn't feel too heavy. I do like how it has this spout here. That's going to be super nice. And then also, I just really like the overall setup of this. And then, of course, you can take the top off. Inside the top, we have some wax, heart-shaped wax. And then we have a plastic multi. And I'm not sure. This one, I'm thinking it does say 7 on the side, on the ends. There's a 7 there. And I don't use those plastic ones because the barrels, to me, they're a little bit thick. And I don't like that. But I love this tray. I really like how the grids are. So I'm definitely going to use this tray when I go to diamond paint these. And then we have this pen. I want to try this out too because this is the Diamond Art Club pen. It actually has wax on the end. And you can also, I'm going to show you guys, you can replace this wax once your wax actually, if you use it up, you can replace this. So that is definitely a plus. I'm going to try it. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, but I'm going to try it and see. And then we also have here a two-placer on the end. We have a bunch of baggies if you need to store any of your drills. I'm not sure what this is. This is more wax. Awesome. I think that's what this is. See, I don't even know because I haven't opened one of these. I can't wait to open up one of my newer full drill diamond paintings. Yes, this is more wax here. I don't want to really take that off, but that's more wax. Use that for your pen to load up your pen. So I definitely want to try that, see how that works, and if I even like it. I may not like it. I like my own pretty pins. So we'll see. And then we have a thank you note in a cute little envelope from Diamond Art Club. And this just gives you instructions on, step-by-step instructions on how to use and refill your twist and pick applicator. So that is going to be really cool. So I'll have to use that. And then also tells you about diamond painting. We do have a cute, cute sticker sheet. This has 16 colors in it, so that is really cool. We also have a start date and end date. I will put this in my logbook with all these cute stickers on here, so that way I will have it and it will be readily available. And then let's look at our canvases. What I really like, I love minis. What I really like about these is that they do have, on all of them, they have a border around here, and you can even use the border if you want to, if you just want to hang it up like this. I am probably going to put them in just a real small, clear. I'm probably just going to go ahead and frame these into just a 4x6, which I think that's all that I need. And let's look at the sticky here. That's just what you would expect from Diamond Art Club. It doesn't go over onto the sides either, so that's really nice. So let's see what we have here. We have a birdhouse. And then this one is a picnic basket. I'll move these out of the way. This one's a picnic basket, so how cute is that? Then we have some flowers here. Looks like tulips. We also have, it looks like a bee here with some flowers. So I'm assuming it looks like a bee there. And then we have a cute little watering can. So that's perfect. And then we have some of our little tools that we can use whenever we want to go and work in our garden, which I'm definitely going to have to do that with the new house. But I really, really do like these. And I mean, there's only 6 here, and it will not take very long. The price I thought was a really good price point for this size. And then we have the drills. And if you're not familiar with Diamond Art Club, they do come in a train, and you do have to open the bags, put them in either a container or use these plastic bags because they do not zip. But we have, see, all of these are the special drills, which I really like that too. It does say spring on here, so if I decide to keep these out of the box and put them in something else, which I will probably do like I do my paint gems, I can put the drill somewhere else, and I will know this is spring, so I can just pull spring out whenever I'm ready to work on it, and it will be there for me. I love all these colors, especially on the fairy dust here. I love, one of my favorites of fairy dust is this Z318. It's a dark gray. I think that's really pretty. All of these are special drills that's in here. I love that red. And all of these browns could be used as fall colors too. Then there's some greens inside there too. So perfect for spring. So that one you will see me kitting up very soon. I'm not going to kit up both of them at the same time, I don't think. I think I just want to do one at a time. So now let's look at our art supplies. And they have so many on their website. I am on a low buy right now because of the move. We have a lot of things that we want to purchase for our new house. And so I've been really careful with what I'm buying. But I was looking on there and I said, okay, you can get 2. And I could not decide. It took me forever to decide what I wanted to get because there were so many, and I just love minis, and so therefore I just wasn't sure. Okay, so the same thing here. We're not going to look at the thank you notes again. Toolkit is the exact same. So now I have 2 of the new trays I can use. but this one has 23 colors. So it really varies on how many colors. Different colors are going to be on in different kits. But we have the typical, I didn't tell you on the other one, we do have the typical symbols that you would see on a Diamond Art Club. And if you have not ever purchased from Diamond Art Club, you're definitely in for a treat. You may want to buy some of the minis before you start to buy any of the larger ones, just to make sure it's what you want to do. And this is also square. The other one was too. Just in case, I do have a discount code for Diamond Art Club if you are interested. It is for new purchasers only. So if you have, is for new buyers only. So if you have already purchased from Diamond Art Club, you can't use it. But if you've never purchased from Diamond Art Club, that will save you a little bit of money. And there's always discounts out there, and some are more than 10%. So make sure you look before you make up your mind. So now it does say on here, art supplies. I can see this is loaded and static, but hey, that's okay. We also have on here, these are all of the fairy dust. I love this pink and these greens. That would have been nice for spring too. More greens here. We have some blues inside. I don't want to open this because when I do, I can never get them back in there. And it doesn't really matter on the other one. I could have, because I'm going to be kitting that up. I will show you all the drills when I go to kit up. That's usually what I prefer. But I am loving this pink. Look how gorgeous that pink is. So let's look at these little cuties. Both of these will come in handy when I start to work on my Josephine Wall kit in April, because that's going to be a big one. And I will need something to break it up. So this is, making sure I'm going the right way here. Okay, so when you look at this one, this is like an art portfolio. And it could even be, dot grid. Who knows? But that is really cute. I love the colors in this. It is just adorable. And then this one is washi tape. We love our washi tape. I know I do anyway. And then this one, we just have our paint here with different colors. That's already on the paint palette, along with our brush. These look like colored pencils. So that's really cute too. Then we have our easel with already a piece of artwork on that. It looks like a rainbow, so that will be really cool. And you only paint or diamond paint around what you see on the symbols. You don't paint anything on the outside. So these are called partials because of that. So all the white that's around there, that's just a border that's bordering around the actual picture. You only will diamond paint on this. And then we have this one. Okay, we have this one. It took me a minute to figure out what this is. This is a paint tube. I could not tell what in the world that was, and I kept looking at it, and then it just hit me. It is a paint tube. And that's where the paint tube is, the paint's coming out of the tube, and then this is where they have folded it over because maybe they've used some of their paint and they're squeezing the paint tube, and so that's what that is. So that is really cute too. And then I will again put this in my logbook whenever I start working on these. I'm not sure when I'll get to do the art supplies. Maybe I'll do these in April because, like I mentioned, I want to do one a month, at least one a month. I'm already one behind because I did not finish up with January. I did complete February, which was Orloa, and so hopefully I can get March completed with these cute little spring ones. Or maybe I should do the art supplies first. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see, either the art supplies or spring for March. Because I'll probably do one month and maybe one the next month. That's all that I have for you today, guys. If you have not subscribed and you're interested in seeing what these look like and seeing the kit up process on these and all of the gorgeous colors, make sure to click on that subscribe button. If you like this video, please click on the like button so that more videos can go out and others can see it. And you may want to go ahead and click on that notification bell so you are notified of any future uploads. And as always, happy diamond painting. Bye!